So let's take a look at gold for the next, that is for the 9th of March. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. So we can see that today the news on this our USD came out well, right? I think it was about two news, right? It actually came out well. I know many of you must have been expecting DXY to actually give us that strong bullish move, right? And when there is a bullish move on DXY, we expect gold to drop, but price actually did not play out that way, right? Sometimes when the news actually comes out positive or comes out very, very fine, we are to expect the SY to actually see a bullish momentum, but it did not happen because there was a correction that needs to play out on DXY. It is exactly that correction that played out that is why gold also gave us a correction. So once that gold gave DXY gave us a correction downward, you can go and check your chart, you will see it. So this is one of the reasons why gold actually gave us this correction. So the next movement we'll be expecting on gold is another drop. So I want you guys to actually watch out for this moment on Thursday and Friday, not necessarily on Thursday or not necessarily tomorrow only. You should watch out for it like Thursday, Friday movement. So this gold, right, we will still be expecting a drop, which I think the correction has actually played out. Let's first of all tap out a level of 1806 or 1805. So you are currently trading at 1813. Let's first tap a level of 1805, then we would know where gold will be moving the next. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to the Patreon channel, the link is in the comment section. Once you just subscribe, you'll be able to get access to some of our exclusive trade that we have 70 to 90% chance of winning. High probability trade is exactly what I'll be sharing. So if in case you're interested, sign up. And you also see a link to some of these trade we take. And one of those trade that we actually took in that channel is gold. So the link to that, some of the trade we've actually taken is in the comment section. You see it, right? You can go there, watch some of the trade, how we predicted this drop on our gold. So if in case you're interested in more analysis on gold, sign up and you'll be able to get access to it.